Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video I'm going to show you how you can uh, zoom in your any of the article you want to just zoom in, how to enable magnification feature in your Motorola G34 5G smartphone. Before watching this video, if you have not subscribed to our YouTube channel, then subscribe to it and like our video. So let's start friends. First open this accessibility option in your settings, then here it is, just swipe down, you can see magnification. Just enable this feature. And friends, if you are can't read this, how you can read this, just click on this pink button and you can see the orange line and zoom like this, you can see, and you can just read it like this. And if you want to just delete this, just long press this and press it on the cross button, and this magnification shortcut will be automatically disabled. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then subscribe to our YouTube channel for more helpful tips and tricks videos. Thanks for watching.